This is the first GMP certification in the UAE.
So one of the things that really it's very important as a part of awareness to know the difference of GMP lab and non-GMP lab. GMP stands for good manufacturing practice. Let's make it in a very simple way of understanding. So what is GMP and why it is important? Example, we have environments with the particle counts counted. For example, if I have chocolate, when we go to some grocery to buy chocolate, we see some chocolates covered, wrapped, and some chocolates are opened, not covered and wrapped. Which one you will make a choice? Will you choose the wrapped chocolate or the non-wrapped chocolate? Let's take this concept into the lab. So there are some labs which are GMP certified, good manufacturing practice. That means the rooms that inside the lab are particle counts. That means each particles in the air is counted. That means it's a hygiene, very clean environment. Why we need this clean environment? Because we are processing the stem cells in these rooms. Therefore, it is important that the processing of these stems happens in a controlled and sterilized environment to make sure that we have zero contamination when we process these cells. That's why it's very important that we as a parents or as a donor or whoever is saving their cord blood or their stem cells despite the source, that it is processed and isolated in a clean environment called GMP facility. And it's very important that lab, which they are saying that they are a GMP facility, they have a certification. Therefore, my advice is very important. Once you select a company to cryopreserve your stem cells, it's very important they are a GMP facility. They are a clean room that have ISO rooms. They are certified GMP to make sure that your stem cells isolated from the cord blood or cord tissue or bone marrow, it is done in a very clean environment to ensure tomorrow if you need it for transplantation, it is zero contamination.